In this video, I am gonna show you 2 crazy and amazing experiments with liquid nitrogen. Welcome back to Basic Interest. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get instant notification for more interesting videos. Let's get started. Also please like the video, because it really helps me. Thank you. Number 1, liquid nitrogen versus boiled oil. Come on friends, now turn on the stove. Look, this oil is boiling now. And now let's put liquid nitrogen in it and see what happens. Wow, a great explosion. This is very dangerous, please don't try this at home. Number 2, liquid nitrogen versus molten aluminum. First we will melt the aluminum. Let's put it in the furnace. And we have liquid nitrogen. Now our aluminum is completely melted. Now let's put it in liquid nitrogen and see what happens. Clouds are created here. Wow, the clouds are on the earth. What's a beautiful scene of nature. Now the molten aluminum is cooled down and all the liquid nitrogen is lost into the atmosphere. Please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel.